Perfect. Perfect.
Hi guys and gals and assalamu alaikum. Today's video is on my makeup collection. Autumn is just around the corner and this means that I need to sort my stuff out. And इसके अंदर से मैंने चुना है कि मैं आप लोगों के साथ अपनी makeup collection भी share करूँगी. How I like to clean my makeup and store it as well. So without any further ado, let's begin the video. Let's go. So these are my eyeshadow palettes. So let's go over all of them. This is pure Be Yourself Selfie. It's gorgeous. It's beautiful. It's about time that I actually part with this one. I love this one a lot and this is now discontinued as well. So I think it's about time that I, let go of it. Next, I have this one. This is Naked 3 palette. This is from Urban Decay. I have not used this a lot. You can also see the swatches are very patchy. Like the dark shade is quite patchy. So there are better palettes out there. So these are the two eyeshadow palettes that I will be keeping. The first one is the Huda Beauty Neon palette and this is in the orange one. So it has a lot of pinks and yellows. So yeah, you can see the palette is beautiful. It has some beautiful shades you can see over here. And inshallah I will use this so you will see in my tutorials as well. It's a gorgeous palette, you guys. So this is my foundation collection and you can see there are not many, but clearly I've used these two the most. This one stands out to me the most. I've used this a lot and fun fact, I actually got this from one of my pay. I mean, first time splurge kiya tha. I hope you guys can see. So yes, it's about time to मैं इसको discard कर दूँ. These are the 3 foundations that I'm keeping. What I'll do is कि इसका जो cap है ना वो ज़्यादा सही है. So I will change the cap over here because this is brand new. I recently opened this one, but you can see this is all full. This cap will go on top of this one and I have my face powder ready over here. I love this duo palette, but it's broken. I don't reach out for it at all. This is from Luscious. I love this one a lot. You people must have seen me use this in my tutorials. This one is in the shade Infatuation. This is a product that I love a lot, but it always breaks on me. This is Cindy Luminizer and oh my god, it's just as gorgeous, but look at it. I will just swatch it over here just to show you guys. It's so finely milled. It just is gorgeous. This is a brand DMGM and I love this brand a lot, you guys, because इनके products बहुत अच्छे हैं sensitive skin के लिए. So this is a very pretty peachy blush and it is gorgeous, honestly. Like it's really pretty. You can see the only thing is कि it's broken. It has fixed itself. So I think I will keep this one. If you are in the makeup game, so you would know कि yeah, this one was quite famous. But I would say it is quite dark on my skin. Also, the packaging just broke on me, if you can see. So yeah, this one is going in the bin. Shade is Opal, but this darling just broke on me. It is so soft. The powder is really soft, but the whole thing is, it just broke on me. So I will have to, discard it. This makes me look dull. And this just looks gorgeous on me. This blush is my first ever cream blush in a pan that I ordered and this is pretty old. I have never, tried any color like this. It makes me look really fresh and the blendability is also nice. So these are all the blushes that I am keeping. I have a red tone blush, 2 peach tones, a pink one, and also I have my face powder with me as well. So you can see I've used it all the way and the best thing is amount that you're seeing over here, I can use it as well. Okay, I will be keeping all of these. They're good products. Let's start with this one. This is a very pretty brown shade, but if you want to discard something, so this is the right way to test it. You can see how patchy it has become, so it's the right time to discard this. This one is also quite soft, so yeah, I can't keep this one. This is from Stageline and oh wow, it's really pretty. It looks beautiful on eyes, you guys. Oh my god. If you don't want to apply anything and you're in a rush, just use pencils like these on your eyes and literally your eyes will be good to go. Not as good as the DMGM, but yeah, it's very soft. This one just peels on my skin. So these are the 3 primers that I will be keeping. This one is from Becca, this one is from Benefit, and my favorite, First Aid Beauty. These 2 eyeshadows, like pigments, and this one eyeshadow was my first ever makeup purchase that I did. In terms of eyes, I think I've never used this anywhere, not a single time. You can see the swatch of it. Oh my god, it just is a beautiful, beautiful shade. I just keep it because it's my first purchase ever. It's not the best, like the texture is not my favorite, but it's really, really pigmented. You can see over here. So because I don't like the texture of it, so I think I will get rid of this. Okay, so let's start with some lipsticks, you guys. If something looks funny to me, I like to throw it away. Something smells bad, that's also something that I like to throw it away. The rest of the stuff, if it doesn't work for me, so I keep it in the donate pile or the gift pile. This is the first one. This is from Rimmel. It's in the shade Asia. It smells like a crayon to me, so I think it's about time that I discard this. I think this is a very bad swatch, but you can see over here. This is from Color Studio. Love this one. It's a gorgeous shade. This was my signature shade, Please Me. I think this is fine, so keeping this one. I have some that are, broken. Honestly, I feel they have changed the formulation and that just kind of doesn't work with the humidity in Karachi. You can see over here, this is about to break. Can you see over here? It kind of came out. Honestly, I don't want to touch it. So, isko main abhi rakhungi. This is Cosmo Amplified. I guess I wanted to get rid of this one, I believe, in my previous makeup declutter video, but I eventually decided that no, I will keep it. But honestly, look at this. Just want to show you guys. Probably it's the formulation. That's the only explanation I have. Then this is from Musarrat Misbah. It's Uptown Girl. Again, I like to mix this one, but oh my god, guys. So this one is the matte version of it, I feel. I know they look different. So this is not as peach orange as this one, but literally you can pair the 2 together and they look beautiful. They are fine, so I'll be keeping all 3 of them. This is from Body Shop and this is not a hit, you guys. Do not buy this product. Look at this. It's a struggle. You can see that the product is all over here, but honestly, this is it's a really bad formulation. It's nothing like it should be. So the makeup sifting part is done. Now let's make a DIY solution for the brushes. I am starting with some hand wash and shampoo. This is the ratio that I like to go with, and you can always switch it up अगर आपके brushes ज़्यादा गंदे होते हैं तो. Next, I added 400 ml of water and the solution is ready. It's that simple, guys. So go through your brushes, lay them on the table. And this is the tool that I like to use. It's very simple, guys. You can also use your hands. I like to divide the water in 2 parts. In one, I like to soak my brushes and दूसरे के अंदर मैं अपना जो DIY solution है वो add करती हूँ. And again, you will see, I'm soaking the brushes in it. It's just a simple process. This helps to, get rid of the buildup, loosen it up and all of that. So I will, clean them right now and I will not rinse them. So I like to, do everything in sections. So right now I am going through the brushes again. The brushes that don't work for me, you will see कि जो मैंने side में brushes रखे हुए हैं ledge के ऊपर, these are the ones that I will be discarding. So I will go through this process and then I will clean the tools and the stuff. Or lastly I am rinsing my brushes. This is a very 3-step process, बहुत easy सा process है. Now if you want कि आपके brushes बहुत आसानी से dry हो जाएं, in less time, आपको पूरा आधा दिन ना लगे, so do this technique, guys. this just soaks up the water and literally मेरे brushes personally in less than 3 hours to 3 hours के अंदर dry हो जाते हैं. I don't think that you need overnight drying for your brushes if you do this technique. And this is the final result. I love the look of them. Also, you guys, I like to shape my brushes while they are drying, so that also helps. ऐसा होता है हमारे साथ कि once we start cleaning तो फिर cleaning के अंदर मज़ा आने लगता है. I found this contact paper. It's not the best. It's quite thin, but this just changed the look of my table. And it's quite thin, so you can see कि यहाँ पर थोड़ा सा rip भी हो गया था. But I used this to create new look on the table. And थोड़ा सा मैंने water spray किया था. Don't spray a lot of it because then फिर वो stick शायद नहीं करे अच्छे से. But literally I did this thing. And one more thing I would like to say over here that this contact paper doesn't stick well on anything that's curved. So yeah, but next I clean the drawer. Literally, if you're cleaning your makeup drawer, use a wet wipe. Glass cleaner works as well. And now I will just put everything in my drawer. This is the best part, you guys. So I started with the makeup brushes. Next I have my eye makeup and face makeup over here. So everything is going from right to left, and I will explain to you guys in the end कि मैंने ऐसा क्यों किया है. So enjoy the fast forward display over here. So this is my backup stuff that I like to keep over here. And this is basically products जो कि मैंने अभी तक इस्तेमाल नहीं किए हैं. I also have some hygiene stuff over here. इसके अंदर nail cutter missing है, but we're not going to look at it. So I like to keep it in the drawer ताकि when I'm getting dressed, if I need something, so I can have it over here. And it's opening easily as well. So yeah, I'm sorted. So proud clap for myself. And voila, it's done, it's sorted, everything is in place. Now let me explain to you guys कि मैंने कैसे सब चीज़ें अरेंज की हैं. This is my top view. So आप देख रहे हैं सब चीज़ से बहुत ज़्यादा सिमटी भी अच्छे से हैं and खुली भी हैं. So from right to left, I started it with my face makeup. Then I came on my cheeks, and then we have the lipsticks. And final finishing products as well. This way, if I have even 5 minutes to get dressed, तो मैं कुछ भी नहीं भूलूंगी. Always be on point and on time as well. This is how my makeup drawer looks. I am very happy. I feel very relaxed, and I know I will enjoy doing makeup a lot now. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and you also got some tips to clean your makeup and how you can store it. So yeah, I'll see you guys next week. Take care of yourself. God bless you all, and Rabarakan guys and gals. Bye.